Good morning. Today's topic is how do organisms reproduce. The first question is what is a niche? A niche refers to the way in which an organism fits into an ecological community or an ecosystem. So a group of organisms, the same group of organisms which is present in the ecological community, that is called as a niche. Then second question, why is the consistency of DNA copying during reproduction is important? The consistency of DNA copying during reproduction is important for the maintenance of body design features that allow the organism to use a particular niche. So if the organism is present in a particular group of organism means, the organism has to consist, there is a consistency in the DNA, then only the particular organism will be in the same group of organisms. If the DNA changes from organism to organism, the group of organisms, the consistency will not be there, right? The group of organisms will get changed. So the consistency of DNA copying during reproduction is important for the maintenance of body design features that allow the organism to use a particular niche. To use a particular niche means to be in the particular group of organism. Then third question, reproduction is linked to the stability of populations of the same species. Why reproduction is important? Reproduction is linked to the stability of a particular species of organisms. Species means the same group of organisms which can interbreed among themselves is called the species. So reproduction is linked to the stability of the species. So stability of the populations of the species. Then fourth question, dash is useful for the survival of species over time. Variation is useful for the survival of species over time. Why variation is important for the survival of species over time means, for example, if we take microorganisms, that microorganisms can survive in the extreme conditions because of the variations. So variation is useful for the survival of species over time. So that gives the survival opportunity for that particular organism. Fifth question, give an example showing that variation is important for the survival of species. If there were a population of bacteria living in temperate waters, and if the water temperature were to be increased by global warming, most of these bacteria would die, but the few variants resistant to heat would survive and grow further. So this is the importance of variation. Here a group of population of a group of bacteria is present in temperate waters. The temperature of the water may get increased because of the global warming. So the bacteria, the variation which takes place in a particular bacteria can live in that extreme hot water or the increased temperature water, but the other bacteria can die. So variations give the survival opportunity to the organism. Then sixth question, why is variation beneficial to the species but not necessarily for the individual? A variation suitable for the particular niche is selected by nature in evolution. So variations are necessary for the survival of the species, and variation is not important for a particular individual. Variation is important for the evolution of the species. Continuous variation, that is the accumulation of variation, leads to the origin of a new species. So variation is important for the species and not for the particular individual. Thank you.